Hi, hello. Are you ready to learn from the best? Buckle up. Let's talk about how to start a debate. Let me show you how it's done. First things first, choose a controversial topic. Nothing offensive though. Here are some examples. It should have different viewpoints that are interesting to the people debating, but also to the audience. Avoid topics that are too one-sided, like these. We want to keep the attention and interest on the debate itself. Very importantly, you also have to define the debate format. Decide whether your debate will follow a formal or informal format. There are many, all of them with specific rules, some more flexible than others. To list a few formats for you, the team policy debate, the public forum debate, Oxford-style debate, and others. Let's focus on how the Oxford-style debate is structured. The Oxford-style debate is a more traditional European style that is centered on a proposition, often framed as a declarative sentence. So first, there are two sides in this format, the for the proposition side and the against the proposition side. Each side typically consists of two speakers, making a total of 4 participants in the debate. A debate begins with the proposition being announced, which is the statement that is going to be debated. There's a brief preparation period where speakers familiarize themselves with the proposition and finalize their points. The debate commences with the for the proposition side presenting their arguments first, followed by the against the proposition side. Each speaker delivers a series of arguments with a standard format for each. The first speaker of each side presents their case, followed by the second who supports and builds upon these points. Throughout each speech, members of the opposing side may interject, briefly, just to clarify a point, but you're generally expected to wait for your turn to counter any arguments. Debaters are expected to engage directly with the arguments presented by the opposing side in their speeches. After the speeches have been delivered, there's a period for questions and direct engagement between the two sides. The debate concludes with a vote from the audience, and the audience is the one who decides which side has put forth a more compelling argument regarding the proposition. Before you start the debate, you would want to research the topic thoroughly. Understand the various perspectives and arguments related to the topic at hand, then identify your key points and arguments, anticipate counter-arguments, prepare your responses. You should always fact-check the information you're gathering. Ensure the accuracy and credibility of the data you rely on to not spread any misinformation on important topics. You can use websites to fact-check and make sure your information is correct. Here are some you can use. After that, it's pretty straightforward. Choose your team, which side do you want to represent, begin the debate with the opening statement from each side, don't forget to follow the debate formatting, always be respectful towards the other team. And don't forget the golden rule. You're debating the topic and not the person. Got it this time? No? Watch the video again.